What the fuck? Not today, Larry. Alley-oop!
Let's continue moving, man. Oh, hey, man.
You know what? I think we could talk about this. Come to terms of agreement, if you know what I mean.
Hey.
Yeah.
What's your proposition, mate?
My proposition is I go backwards, and you go back where you came from. Because nobody.
Or I send my guy, and you guys 1v1. How about that?
Nah, I disagree.
That's too bad. Hey, man, go fight him.
Bet on
first,
it.
and then I'll fight if he survives. I bet 1 to 7 on him. Go, go, go. Oh, he has my car.
Hello. I plead the 5th. Or the 69th. I don't fucking know law. Forgot it. Oh my fucking good. We're ass. Listen, maybe we could come to agreement. Why?
I don't know. They turned off my news.
Intrusive thoughts.
Damn. No, don't listen. Don't listen. Don't listen. Don't listen. No. Okay, he was greedy. Listen, he's greedy.
I'll catch him with my strong moving arms.
Fuck you.
Here I go.
Don't do it. No, Rabies, don't do it. There's better ways. We can talk about this. No!
I got you! Oh my god, my hands, my hands.
You didn't catch it!
Why the fuck did you not catch him?
Oh no.
You, how did you fail?
Guys, one at a time. I catch it, see? Yeah, see, I catched it, you blinked.
No, you didn't catch
Here,
it!
listen, you can catch a fucking gun. Hold up.
Problem, you blinked.
Come on!
How'd you fail to catch the gun? That's like decently sized.
Get ammo!
Guys, you're keeping me waiting a lot.
Fuck you!
Time for this.
I killed myself. I was the first guy who jumped off. I do not recommend it. It's not.
Yeah, I could tell. I could
You
tell.
didn't catch any of that!
Yeah, he's.
I did.
I think he's like.
Wait.
I think he's like mentally handicapped or
I'll
something.
make your life
Maybe.
easier, okay? I'll give you instructions.
I don't know. I think a handicapped person can't really fucking line out ammo like a fucking snort of cocaine. I think he has some skills somewhere.
Okay, here's your cross. Now you have to.
Brother, that looks. God damn it! Stop killing us. That's not a cross. That looks more like the fucking Smash Bros logo, if anything. Fuck's sake.
Guys, you have to admit.
Ah, great. Now here comes fucking Larry to do diligence. Hi, Larry. How the fuck are you
You
doing?
wait up just...
Larry, don't do it. Don't fucking listen to that guy down there. Don't jump. No, Larry. Larry beat his fucking ass. He killed all of those 4 guys down there.
Hey, I can't get out. I have a keeper.
No,
We should go.
Yeah, we should probably leave. Jesus fucking Christ, how much ammo did this guy have?
Guess who's back?
God damn it, Larry, shoot that man. And now Larry fucking... Why is everyone jumping?
Holy lag. What's a zombie?
Oh, wow.
Shut.
What's up, bro? I hope you're not ratting. I'm just gonna take some ammo. Thanks, bro. Here, hold on.
Is everything here free? Is everything here free?
Here. I'm paying you that for the cola. Thank you very much. And have a good day. I love this game. Why would they send more than one person to do a sweep of the servers instead of not being on the other one? That would mean that there's probably another person on the second server. So one of these men are playing for fun. Who is this person? ass. Jerry, hi Jerry. Can we open this, Jerry? Jerry, can you just do like powers, Jerry? Jerry, can you use your powers? Do your powers. Oh.
That's the best you can do.
Hold on.
You're not motivated.
Shut up! Let him cook. See, he did it. Shut the fuck up. Yo, please don't shoot me.
Hey, stop.
Hey, just calm down. I'm stopping, bro. I'm stopping. We need to go. Stop. We need to leave. I'm fucking stopping.
If you stop.
I'm stopped. I'm cuffed. Just calm down.
Oh, what's up? Hey, stop right there.
Bro! Brother! I'm stopped.
When I get a gun, I'm gonna kill you all.
I dropped it.
Prisoners.
Oh, hell. Oh, bitch.
Open the micro.
Oh, nice. Open this first.
Get the micro. Oh my fucking. Guard. You fucking. Yo, good. That was great shots at that window, bro. Man, well done.
I don't know why.
Dude, hold up. You got great aim. That window took a lot of your bullets. You hit every single shot. That was impressive. Fuck that window.
079 successfully terminated. Termination cause unspecified.
Die! You're fucking kidding me. Jerry, please, don't do this to me. Jerry, don't. Jerry, stop this. No, I want that on. Jerry, listen. I can loop you here for fucking hours. We will be here for all of time.
Yeah.
Mods, crush the skull.
Damn you, Laird. Bro.
What?
Nothing.
Hello?
Goodbye. They're that, stop charging.
I'm not 939, so I'm happy.
Sorry I'm late, gentlemen. My fucking pizza arrived. What are we saying? Hold
All of
on.
that in one bite.
What'd you say?
Eat all of the pizza in one bite.
Dude, I got fucking 3 slices. I don't know why, but the delivery guy is always the same dude with a fucking beard, and I don't know why.
He's just cool like that.
Yeah, he's just fucking chill. You know what I mean? He's just one of those chill guys. Can't even blame him.
Doctor, there's a guy here. Doctor, there's a guy here. Doctor.
He's gonna be so fucking mad when he learns of the desync.
escape.
He's gonna be so mad, pissed off when it's like your first round.
Nah, not me. I love being zombie.
No.
Yeah, me too.
Because I took a slice.
Thank you.
I'll get the other guy.
Oh, Larry!
Wait, Larry, don't kill the
Damn
other
it.
guy. Larry, don't kill the other guy.
I'm not gonna kill him.
Welcome.
I'm just looking him down. Like he's. He fucking.
He's gonna be Doctor.
Get in here! Get in here! Get in here! He's dead.
Doctor.
Doctor, behind you in the fucking machine. Exactly what I was about to say. I ain't opening this door. I know you're on the other side of that motherfucker.
SCP-096 contained successfully by Chaos Insurgency.
even detain me. Just
I
do
don't
it.
need to detain you.
Okay, and
I mean, that is a valid point.
Yo.
I like this lineup. I lied.
Me too, man.
I lied. I lied to you. Peanut left me. I lied. I lied to your face right now.
Okay.
I did not purposefully lie to your face, but I lied in general. I have lost all
You
faith.
lied to my face.
Yes, but not on purpose. Alex, please. Open up 914 PC. 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 Can you open up 914?
Two security guards.
Go.
They're close to nuke.
Go the fuck into light and then open the fucking door. Shit. I'm sorry, but please open 914 so PC can get out. Okay, I'm sorry, but damn. Do you know how to do that? I'm sorry, okay?
SCP-079.
He just left, man.
Oh, now I feel fucking bad. Ah! Why shouldn't I?
Because
You have a science card? Get the science card.
look, I'm a janitor. Look at my key card.
I didn't like him.
Hey, bro, but the thing is...
Peace.
Peace? Oh, sorry about that. You know what? It's your lucky day. You caught me in a good mood. Drop the gun. Press T. Why the fuck did you try that? I told you to press T.
Hello.
Yeah, probably. Oh, hi. How you doing? I mean, like, listen. Just know the same person. Well, I'm lazy, bro.
You.
Hi. How you doing? No, thank you. Damn.
His legs are gone.
The dog are stupid.
Nah, trust. That guy is that guy. Shut the fuck up and have some goddamn
Shut your
faith.
bitch ass up. I'm gonna fuck your mom up, bitch.
Bruh, you don't even have a mom.
Let's have a nice game.
Yo.
Fuck you.
have a nice game.
You don't get to become nice suddenly when the mods join, dumbass. Fuck you. So you're telling me wait, let me get this straight. So we've had N-words, we've had F-words, we had all the words said in this fucking server. But the one thing that this motherfucker points out is the fucking zombie killing him. I'm so done. I'm so fucking done with a raving guy. Fuck you. Hi, shy man.
Oh,
What is happening? What? Please. Thank you. Please. Please. Okay. Hi guys.
fuck it. Yo, detain me, quick.
Okay, you're detained. And you're detained. Hey, yo, what?
What did he say?
Nothing. Yo, to the dumbass MTF that tried to uncuff the D-class, fuck you. Oh. Good jump, dog.
He's it.
No, I just want something where I could just fucking parry an SCP. It would be cool as shit, trust.
Yo, ultra kill?
I don't care what, just let me be able to parry 096. It would be fucking awesome.
Did you get those scars from Fireball?
Shut the fuck up. Fuck off. You're fucking kidding me.
Run, run, run.
Got him. Okay. You came after me, Jerry!
Can you just hit me? Hey!
You know what?
Don't shoot.
Hold on. What's the number I'm thinking of right now?
Oh no, flip the coin, flip the coin, flip the coin.
Fucking...
Where are the chaos?
I don't know. Take that fucking 127 on the floor.
127?
Yeah, it's right over here. There's... Okay, the sign... What? Fine then.
What's up, mate? Yeah, I didn't say that. According to my calculations, go down this hallway.
You know what? I believe you. Sometimes you have to listen to them. Maybe just sometimes. Oh my god, he was fucking right! There you are. We can actually just kill him. He's actually very tough. There you go. We're good.
Shut your bitch ass This is a... Alright, but we need to upgrade our cards, Brody.
I swear they removed the fee. I don't think a card spawns there anymore. I swear to God, I've never seen a card there in like 1,000 years now.
Rust?
Yeah, the Rust. I'm rusty. I haven't played this game in like fucking years now.
Oh, come on, man. Come on.
Yeah, we're cooked. You might want to pop that adrenaline.
You don't really want to go there anyway. There's a doctor and stuff.
Yo, like, what the fuck you be doing? Why are you killing everyone? Why? No! God, it's strange not having recoil on the revolver. Okay. Dude, my brain is like being numbed every time I shoot this revolver with the stock. I need to get it off. It's disgusting. God, I fucking hate this thing. Yeah, run, bitch.
Back you, monkey.
Yo, don't worry, guys. I got that door. It's a big threat to us. Yo, Doc, are you having a stroke? What the fuck happened? Wait! I'm stupid.
049.
What? 049?
When they came here.
Yeah.
What the fuck you talking about? He dead as shit.
Nigga!
Oh my fucking god, what is happening? He's dead. Oh shit, if you know what I mean.
Kinda is.
Yo, Spork! Hello, Spork! I don't know who you are, but hello.
Hello!
Oh my god.
Oh, hello!
All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
Hey, dog, they're over here. Dog, they're over here.
Bro, you be Bruh, you be the biggest fucking snitch in history, bro. What the fuck was that?
Well, if I'm gonna die, I'm not gonna be the only one.
Nah, I could have made it out. I could have lived. Bruh.
I'll be honest with yourself, you're not that good.
Yeah, fair point.
We're gonna do it again.
Hey, let the president talk!
This time, it'll be huge. It'll be the best we've ever seen. And we're gonna win. And that's the truth. That's the truth.
What's the president? Get down!
I will kill 096, assuming I am not 096.
Why don't you bend over?
What?
Oh, he did.
Dude, I got pills. I got pills.
If you're happy and you know it.
What? If you're happy to know what? You need to tell us.
Yeah, dude.
You need to tell us. Hey, yo, what the? Tell us what happens. If we're happy to know, what do we do? What do we do if we're happy and we know it? What do we do?
It fades to black, okay?
No, this can't be true, please. What the fuck is dog doing? Haha, door funny moment.
Computer.
What if I just don't care? What if I'm not afraid? What if I don't care that they have a PC?
I'm not afraid
to make a stand. What's the other lyric? Dude, that's a fucking old. Kill for.
Attention, all personnel. The light containment zone decontamination process will occur in 10 minutes.
Oh, you're scary. Oh, you're very scary. Oh, you're scary. Please don't hurt me. Guard! Dude, that guard's a bitch! That guard's a bitch! Oh my! Fine, we'll do snipes. Oh, hi Doc, how you doing? I guess the sniping idea is done. Help! Oh shit. Not good. Long corridor. Sir, you don't have to chase me. You know this, right? And have a good day.
Because you guys are gonna steal it, and I still need the achievement.
I can't do that. I need the achievement, guys.
Shut up. You sound like Deku. Nice.
Remember, guys, maybe the SCPs were the friends we made along the way.
Bro is not Deku.
Bro is not Deku. Shut the fuck up, Kenobi. Yeah, I'm sorry. I got put in Larry's dimension because I did that. My bad.
I can't believe I found myself in this situation.
How the fuck do? Hey, that's not very cool of you. Why'd you do that?
My SCPs were so incompetent, I can't.
What?
Larry just killed himself.
That sucks. So this has just become a fucking therapy session now, ain't it? Damn.
Hey, you can fuck off.
I was here first. You can fuck off.
Well, yeah, you're just being a dick.
I didn't say nothing that was being a dick. I thought it did a therapy test. Did it not?
No.
Then what it turned into? Kumbaya around a fucking campfire? Jesus Christ. SCP-0914. Class... Containment class safe. Project lead... I don't fucking know what that means. No! Oh, hi, can you shoot him? No? I mean, I meant the other way around, but like, okay.
Hey, don't pick that up.
I'm not, what do you mean? Hey, whoa, I don't have it! Fuck! I don't have it, bro. I don't know what you'd be doing. He has it. Why would I have it if he ran away?
Which one you have? Which one?
Dude, there he is. Dude, I'm such a shit shot. I'm sorry. There's no ammo. Please, I'm sorry.
Stop killing
I will never do it again, I promise, please. What the fuck has happened? Oh, what I need. Wait a minute. Did you trap someone up here?
Yes.
Hi there, dog! Wait, I'm curious. Close me in here! I can take it! Oh shit, wrong way. Oh no. Yo, nah, wait. We can talk about this. We can be reasonable. Oh, did you? Oh, also, the SCPs know this is the final round that spawn, so we should probably camp. What? What? Huh?
Why is it not?
I don't know. I thought I missed it because I was asked, but like, what? Huh?
It's just broken. Someone cut the wires.
Okay, I have an idea. We need to get Doc to fix this. Hey! Hey, stop shooting. Wait. Zombie. Wait. Stop shooting. Wait. Zombie, come here. We're not gonna shoot you. Listen, we have a mission. Hold up. Doctor, wait. Come here. We need you to do something. The elevator is not coming up. Don't shoot them! Jesus Christ. So much for democracy. Fellas! Listen, we can talk about this, bro. Ooh! Oh, that's...
Hey, bro, what'd you
I have three in PC.
We should jump him. We should jump
There's
him.
a scientist in one of the elevators.
Nah, we jump him.
Get in! Go now!
We just passed Warhead.
Hey, we're done with the computer, huh?
No.
Dude, this is like a fucking fight. Holy shit, bro, I'm gaming. Holy shit, I'm gaming.